Hey guys, so today I've got a little fancy move for you. It's called a behind the neck pass. Now the way that I like to get into this is from a halo. So if you already know the halo, that is great. If not, you can pop to one of my other tutorials and I can teach you that there, and then you can come back to this video and do the behind the neck pass. Okay, so let me show you. I'm just gonna go straight into a halo, woo, from here, and then the behind the neck pass is like this. Woo! That was a bit extra, but anyway, all right guys. So all we're gonna do is you're gonna go in from your halo, and then you're literally gonna grab your hoop as it comes round in front of you. You're gonna get it to your neck, and you're literally just gonna throw it behind your neck and get your hand, your right hand, well I'm using my right hand, out ready to catch it. So as it comes behind you, you throw it behind and then quickly get that hand out. It's really important that as you're coming round, you really kind of get close to your neck so that you know where it's going to go, and then you can get that hand out ready to catch it. Does that make sense? So let me show you again. So we're in from the halo and then behind the neck, and then you're going to grab it. And then obviously from there you can go into like a different move. You can go into any move you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. All right, does that make sense? I'll do it from behind. So we're in our halo, and then it's going to come behind your neck here. And then as you throw it round, you're going to catch it. Hopefully that makes some sort of sense for you guys. But anyway, that's just like a little fancy trick if in case like you're thinking, oh my gosh, what should I go to from now? From like this halo, I have no idea what I'm doing. You can be like, bam, behind your neck and catch it the other side. Looks pretty cool when you add it with some other moves. All right, guys. Hopefully that was interesting for you and that you enjoyed it, and come back for some more. All right, guys. See you later.